If you are a fan of the Seiya franchise, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. We are going to build something awesome today. What's up everybody? Diorama Builders here and welcome back in another awesome tutorial on, building stuff. So what we are going to make today is kinda, rare, unique, and it's about the franchise Seiya. So let's talk about the series a little bit. So this franchise is based on the ancient Greek mythology, and the main characters are 5 bronze saints who battle their way to protect the goddess Athena. And in that franchise you have several levels. So you have your bronze, like I already mentioned, you have your silver saints, your gold saints. There are 12 gold saints, and it goes on like that. You have I think 88 different signs. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, check it out online, Google it, and you will definitely find pictures, videos to give you a little taste of what it's all about. And today the focus is going to be on one specific sign, the gold saint Sagittarius, and we are going to build this. This is a Pandora box, and in these boxes that I carry around during the franchise, all the armor are stored in there. We are not going to make something that small. It's going to be bigger, around 70 centimeters in height and 50 centimeters in width. And in the end, it's going to look something like this. Yeah, something like this. Let's hope. Okay, that was fun. Let's put this aside. Okay, so we have all these printed parts that will go on the box. The box itself, I'm going to make it out of wood, but these we can not just glue them on. We have to fill all the print lines so everything is much smoother. How we are going to do that? We are going to use, first of all, a filler that you normally use on drywall. Afterwards we are going to give it some coats of this. This is called compact tuna. You can find this in your local hardware store. And afterwards we are going to use this wood glue, and what that will do is it will create a hard shell around everything. We have a lot of filling up to do and sanding to do. So yeah, awesome, let's get started.